Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll be working on this beautiful and very easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your jeans sweater, lady sweater, cardigan, jacket, blanket and hat as well. You can also knit this in your hat. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit stitch. You will knit all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 2 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast in multiples of 6. This pattern is made of 3 and this pattern is made of 3. So 6 and 3 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 17 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 12 and plus 3 extra stitch 15 and 2 edge stitch 17. So row 1 right side. Row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop. And start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat, knit 3 and purl 3. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. So we have done 2 repeats, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 4 stitch, 3 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. Row 2 and for every wrong side rows, knit all stitches. Slip your edge stitch first and knit all stitches. Edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done 2 rows here. Now repeat these 2 rows, row 1 and row 2, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repetition, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.